Yo, your weekend gardener in the house. Hey, had an impromptu taste test with one of my homeboys. He came through and he saw my Calamondin on the tree. I had like one or two left. And he said, "Ooh, this looks interesting." So I said, "You can have it if you want." So he popped it off. And then he proceeded to start eating it. So I said, "Hold on a second, let me get a taste test on this one right here." And I already knew how it tastes, so I was just wanting his real true experience, his live reaction to it. And stay tuned. It was priceless. Cue my intro. Yo, your weekend gardener here with my boy.
Hey, what's up?
He's about to try the, man, that smells good. No, you're supposed to eat it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he's about to try the Calamondin.
The kumquat.
No, it's a Calamondin.
Oh, Calamondin.
You're supposed to eat the whole thing, bro.
The whole thing, just eat it down. Man.
That's why the skin is thin.
That's why the skin is bitter.
The skin is bitter?
A little bit bitter.
Well, the inside must be sweet.
Okay,
I
I'm
think,
gonna try
man,
it.
fix your face.
Here we go.
Yeah, like a soldier. It may have one seed in it. No, fix your face. Fix your face. Fix your face. Come on. Straighten your face out.
Woo! Brother,
What's up? That thing was good, wasn't it?
ask me what kind of score I give it.
First of all, was it sweet?
No.
It was? Bitter? Sour?
It was sour.
Tastes like orange?
It does taste like orange. But the skin is sweeter than the flesh.
Yeah, that's what I said. The skin is sweeter. It's supposed to be a combo. That's why you eat both at the same time. So, what's your number?
God. Since this is my first time doing a taste test, and I think I just got set up, my number for this is going to be about a 5.
In the middle of the road. 5 is the middle. Okay, was it the most sour thing you ever had?
Yes.
So, more sour than the lemon?
When I don't expect it to be sour, yes.
You was expecting it to be sweet.
Yes, sir. I was expecting that to be sweet.
You got set up.
I think I know I got set up.
Yo, weekend garden with my boy.
Peace.
Impromptu taste test. Peace.